Hello po, Ate Alma, Kuya Kelan, magandang hapon po sa lahat. Kuya Kelan, happy birthday po. Naway patuloy po kayong bigyan ng Diyos ng mahabang buhay. Wish po namin na naway laging malusog po ang inyong katawan. At sana po, lagi po kayong pagpalain sa trabaho para lalong marami pa po kayong mga taong matulungang mag-asawa. Maraming salamat po kasi isa po ako sa napili nyo na bigyan ng cellphone. Tuwang-tuwa po yung mga anak ko kasi napakalaking bagay po yun na tulong niya para sa pag-aaral nila. Maraming salamat po talaga. Happy birthday po. Huwag po kayong magsawang tumulong sa iba. Naway, mas maraming blessings pa po ang dumating para po mas maraming tao pa po kayong matulungan.
Happy birthday, Tito Kelan. Sana maging malakas ka palagi. At marami pa kayong magpasayang tao at matulungan ni Tita Alma. Nandito lang kami lagi sumusuporta sa inyo dito sa Pilipinas. Yung pamilya sa parents. Salamat po, lagi nananalo si Mama na pipili. Sa cellphone po na napanalunan niya, thank you po. Sana huwag kayong magsawa na tumulong po sa mga subscriber niyo po at sa mga pamilya. Maraming salamat po, Tito Kelan. Haba good life and long live. Tapos good health din po. Tapos more blessings to come. Happy birthday po, Tito Kelan.
Happy birthday po kuya. Sana po good health po. Huwag ka mahiya. Marami ka pang matulungang tao at dito po din ako suporta po sa iyo. Kailangan mati mo lang magsabi. Ba't ako naiiyak? Happy birthday po.
Ikaw po, Lee.
Happy birthday po dito kailan. Happy birthday po Tito. Ate, salamat ulit ha. Sa lahat ng naitulong mo sa pamilya ko. Napakalaking bagay po yun. Kasi, lalo na't walang trabaho yung asawa ko. Thank you talaga, te. Sabi, Kuya Kela, naway pagpalain ka lagi ni Lord. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. At ilayo kayo sa anumang virus ngayon na dumarating sa mundo natin. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat sa lahat-lahat. At lagi pa kayong palakasin nila ng inyong pangangatawang mag-asawa. Naway marami pa po kayong matulungan. Maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong mag-asawa. Happy birthday po. More blessings to come. Ang Diyos na po ang bahala ang magbalik sa inyo kung ano po ang ginagawa niyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday po. Salamat po. Bye-bye po. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Kelan. I hope more birthday to come. God bless. I miss you. Take care.
Hi Kelan, happy birthday. I wish nothing but the best on your special day. May your day be filled with happiness, love, joy, and great gifts, God. God bless you always.
Hey, Daddy Kelan! Happy birthday, Daddy Kelan! Happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy Kelan!
Hi Tito, I hope you have a great day today and a year ahead is full of many blessings. Have a wonderful, happy and healthy birthday. Thank you always for sharing your blessings to us. Keep safe and stay healthy with Tita Alma.
Happy birthday, Daddy Kelan! I love you, I miss you. Take care always.
Happy birthday, Tito Kelan. Wishing you the happiest and brightest day ever. Take care. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Kelan!
Happy birthday po, Tito Kelan.
Thank you for always sharing your blessings with us, and we hope that you will also have a long life and stay healthy and keep safe as well. Bye-bye! Thank you!
Happy birthday, Tito Kelan. Be safe always. I know your life there is not easy, but always know that we got your back here. Just keep fighting. More birthdays to come. God bless. I love you. Miss you.
Hi Tito Kailan, happy birthday. Thank you for the support from the very start. And take care always, you and Tita Alma there at Taiwan. And that's all. I love you.
Happy birthday po. We have no memories together that much, but still wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Hope to bond you soon. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Tito Kailan. More birthdays to come. Take care always. God bless.
Hello po, Tito Kailan. Happy birthday po. More blessings pa po, and thank you po sa lahat ng tulong nyo sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Naway gabayan po kayo ni Lord palagi at maging masaya po sana ang pagsasama niyo ni Tita Alma. Maraming salamat po. God bless you.
Hi, Kailan. Happy birthday. Malibigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming birthday at mahabang buhay. Nang makatulong ka pa sa katulad sa amin. Maraming salamat sa natulong mo sa amin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Kuya Kailan, happy birthday. Hope more birthday to come. And always in good health. And God bless you always. And Ate Alma. Thank you very much for all the help you given to the family of Ate Alma. Thank you very much and God bless you always. Kuya Kailan. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kuya Kilan at Ate Alma. Kami yung nandito sa Dubai. Batiin lang sana namin ng happy birthday si Kuya Kilan. Sana mas marami pang darating na birthday kay Kuya Kilan. So, Kuya Kilan, happy birthday sa'yo.
Kuya Kailan, happy birthday. More birthdays to come, more blessings, both of you, Ate Alma and you. And yes, happy birthday from us, Bonjoy and Wins.
From Dubai.
Thank
Dubai.
you. Bye.
Hello po, happy birthday po kay Tito Kailan. Wish ko po is more birthdays to come, good health po, and sana po marami pa po kayong matulungan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat, and God bless you po.
Happy birthday po, Tito Kailan. More blessing and God bless you po. Thank you po.
Happy birthday po, Sir Kailan. Wishing you another year of happiness and joy. Thank you po for helping so many people. Stay safe po and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Kailan. More birthdays to come. Stay good health, strong and kind. Enjoy your special day and God bless you always.
Hello, Kuya Kailan. Wishing you the happiest and brightest birthday. I hope that you will have a great day on your birthday and the year ahead is full of blessings, of course with Ate Alma, good health and God bless, and I have something for you. I hope you will like this. And happy birthday!
Po, Sir Kailan, happy birthday po sa inyo. Praying for your good health and strength, and ingat po palagi kayo ni Ma'am Alma dyan sa Taiwan. Salamat po sa blessing na pinagkaloob ninyo. I'm praying na patuloy po kayong magpagamit as an instrument para makatulong po sa iba. Sabi nga po sa Proverbs 9:11, "For by me your days will be multiplied and years will be added to your life." So, Sir Kailan, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. Thank you.